Hi, welcome to CheckTheTrades.com. If you're looking for a business you can trust with a great reputation, you've come to the right place. CheckTheTrades.com is a free-to-use website which is easy to navigate. Just enter the type of business in the search box or scroll through the directory on the homepage. We list a wide range of businesses from building trades to plastic surgeons. Every business listed has passed a 10-point screening process, signed a code of conduct, and provided us with a list of references that we check and verify. When you click on a business, this brings up a full profile page showing you all the information you'll need to make the right choice. Once you've used a business, you can return to our website and tell us about your experience in the feedback area. CheckTheTrades.com offers advertising and marketing services from the online directory to web design, search engine optimization, and printing for all types of businesses. When you're looking for a business you can trust, just remember, CheckTheTrades.com. We check, you choose.